I told him or her.
Watch. Girls block that boy on Twitter.
That boy will be happy to see you. Touch the subscribe button. Touch that boy.
Buy merch to help feed that boy.
I told him or her. Grab that merch if you're a real ninja. A young Tibber ninja.
Hey, it's your favorite thatboy.
Oh, do you guys take the packet? Oh, no more, yeah.
Yo, call that nigga back, bro.
Calling the cops,
Hurry up,
I'm calling the
bro.
cops, bro. Hello, I need the 9 cops, Little Caesars, North Princeton, North Boulevard.
Pour that shit.
Pensacola. We're getting robbed right now. Somebody? Yes. Need the cops here? North Princeton
Yo,
Boulevard.
yo, you need to stomp this nigga out, bro.
Nah, bro, I'll just work here, bro. That's all you getting, bro? $60, bro? You gotta take that whole shit. Let me get something here.
Yo, this nigga really just sitting here, bro.
Yo, that's all you gonna take?
Don't touch
bro?
nothing. Don't touch nothing. Don't touch
Don't
nothing,
touch
bro.
me.
Don't touch nothing.
No fingerprints, huh?
Yes. Yes, we're next to, we're across the street from Dunkin' Donuts and the Family Dollar.
You might as well take the whole registry.
Fuck.
We're next to, no, we're next to,
I definitely not
Really
going.
robbing this store, man.
That's all you gonna take? No, bro, you don't work here, bro. Don't get into nothing, bro. They ain't
Don't
worth
touch
it.
nothing.
They
Don't
ain't
not-
worth it.
Yo, the store is shut down. The store is shut down, bro.
Yo.
The store shut down.
That boy will be happy to see you. Touch the subscribe button. Touch that boy.